Tapos yan, bakit may mga dala kayong malalaking armas?
Matapang ka, Maria!
Na nandito kami, tinitindigan namin yung pangangalaga ng gubat at the expense of ourselves, literally as human shields.
Ang sigaw-sigaw pa nga po na nila sa akin, sige, patayin niyo, patayin niyo. Nabaril na ako, nakakulong pa ako.
It is a dangerous situation because of precisely the rich natural resources, minerals, energy, agriculture. This is a prime piece of meat for big businesses.
คือเราก็พยายามที่จะตัดวงจรทำให้ผู้กระทำความผิดเนี่ย
So much have already been taken over by man. We just want the forest and the wildlife back.
The Last Defenders,